Mashed potatoes are one of the easiest, most delicious comfort foods. Whether you are in a rush or just craving something cozy, this recipe is quick, simple, and pairs perfectly with anything. First, peel your potatoes. If you like a little texture, you can leave some skin on. Then you're going to chop them into evenly sliced pieces so they cook faster. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Once I finish slicing my potatoes, I'm going to go ahead and wash them properly. Now go ahead and add them to a hot pot of boiling water. So this is the water that I put on before I start peeling the potatoes. And then I'm going to go ahead. I already had my salt to it, but if you did not, at this moment you can go ahead and add a pinch of salt. Then let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how high your heat is, or until they are fork tender. Once they're soft, I'm going to go ahead and drain the water from the potatoes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in my milk, my butter, black pepper, and a pinch of salt, and I'm going to go ahead and mash it until they reach my desired consistency. But if you like them creamy, like if you like your mashed potato really creamy, you can add more milk to your mashed potato. And if you like it to be more fancy, you can mix it in some garlic or cheese or some sour cream, whatever you choose to do. Wow, take a look at this. It is looking so good. And as I said before, it is very simple to make. Mashed potato is one of the simplest things to make. Let me know in the comments section below, what is your favorite way to eat mashed potatoes? And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more easy recipe.